In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Azure DevOps with Jira step by step. This integration is extremely useful if your development team works in Azure DevOps, while your project management or tracking happens in Jira. By connecting both tools, you can sync work items, improve visibility, and keep everyone on the same page without manual updates. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software and productivity tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Jira account using an admin account because installing apps requires administrator permissions. Once you're inside your Jira dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. Click on the More option, and from the drop-down menu, select Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section, where you can browse and install integrations for Jira. Next, in the Marketplace search bar, type Azure DevOps and press Enter. Jira will now display a list of available integrations related to Azure DevOps. From the search results, locate the app called Azure DevOps for Jira. This is the official integration that allows secure communication between Jira and Azure DevOps. Once you find Azure DevOps for Jira, click on it to open the app details page. Here, you'll see information about features, supported versions, and pricing. To proceed, click on the Try It Free button. This allows you to test the integration before committing to a paid plan. After clicking Try It Free, Jira may ask you to review the app permissions. This is an important step because the app needs access to certain Jira data in order to sync issues properly. Carefully review the permissions, and once you're comfortable, click on Review, followed by Start Free Trial. At this point, the app will begin installing into your Jira instance. This usually only takes a few moments. Once installed, you can start configuring the connection between Jira and Azure DevOps. You'll be prompted to connect your Azure DevOps organization by signing in with your Microsoft account and granting the necessary permissions. After authentication is complete, you can configure project mappings, choose which Jira projects sync with which Azure DevOps projects, and decide how work items and issues should be linked. You can also customize sync rules, such as status mappings and field mappings, to match your team's workflow. Once everything is configured, save your settings and run a test sync to make sure data is flowing correctly between Jira and Azure DevOps. From now on, updates made in one system will automatically reflect in the other, saving time and reducing manual effort. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Azure DevOps with Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.